Hello friends, welcome to Sil's Sunshine Yoga. Yoga and meditation has a great benefit in our life. It helps us to stay fit, stay healthy, stay energetic. This is a 5 minutes yoga session. Let's begin. Let's begin the session with the hands in Namaskara Mudra. Now, left hand by the side touching the ground. Let's do some neck movements to mobilize the neck. Lean your leg towards the right and roll it forward and backward. Keep repeating the process. Switch side. Now right hand on the ground, neck leaning towards the left, forward and backward. Keep doing this for some time. Relax. Let's do neck rotation, first clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Don't force yourself. Now come down. With the support of your hands, which is by the side, take your upper body up. Look up. With exhalation, come down. Inhale, up. With exhalation, look towards your right and left. Right and left. Come down. Just come up and come to relaxation position, which is the child pose. Relax here for some time. Relax your thoughts. You are the supreme power. You can do anything and everything. Next, stay in child pose. Take your hands, both your hands towards the left. Give a little stretch on your right side. Stay there. Stay calm. Stay focused. Now take both the hands towards your right. Feel the good stretch on the left side. Stay there. Now come up and sit in Vajrasana. Take your hands in front and nicely stretch your back. And take your hand back and stretch and look up. Repeat the process for a few more times. Stretch on the back, arch your back in front nicely. Stretch back, arch in front. Feel the stretch. Thank you.